Hello everybody, welcome to Morningstar. We are a wholesaler at Amazon USA. I'm gonna demonstrate how to use the Bic Lighters. This is the combo. It comes in a package, single package. This is the classic one. A lot of people have a hard time trying to use, but it's not a defect, it's the child safety mechanism, this one on top, that people have a hard time using. First of all, you press it down, and then your trigger, your light, okay? One more time, press it down, the top, and then follow with the second one, your trigger. Same for the flex. You gotta push this down first, down, and then the trigger, okay? Very simple, okay? A lot of people try to do this or this. Like I said, press down first the top, and then pull the trigger, okay? I hope it helps, and welcome to Morningstar.